Hello everybody. Today we will discuss the triangles and its properties. So first of all we will discuss about the triangle. पहले हम समझेंगे triangle क्या होता है. A triangle is a simple closed curve. Triangle क्या है? That is a simple closed curve, but that is made by the three line segment. Simple closed curve, लेकिन ये किससे बनता है? With the help of the line segment. So ABC is a triangle. So in this one, if we talk about the sides of this triangle, sides are AB, BC and CA. AB, BC and CA, these are the sides are there only. You can say AB or you can say the BA or CB or AC. It's not the hardly matter. आप इसको AB बोलिए या BA बोलिए, it's not problem. So three sides are there. If we talk about the vertices, vertices means जहां पर where the two line segment meet at a point, that is point is known as a vertex. This is your vertex, vertex A, this is B and C. So vertices are A, B and C. These are the vertices. Vertices क्या होती है? Where the two line segment meet at a point, that point is known as a vertex. So this is the vertex A, B, C. And if we talk about the angles, so this is your angle A, you can see the angle A, angle B and angle C. Or it can be written, इसको हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं. Suppose you want to write the angle A, you can write down like angle B, A, C. Means in the middle, जो middle में letter आता है, angle उसका form होता है. तो angle B, A, C. Similarly, you can write down here is the angle A, C, B. So there is angle C. You can write down angle C, B, A. So angle at B. Middle में जो term होता है, angle will be formed of this one is there only. So any triangle is a simple closed curve that is made by the three line segments and which have the three sides. These are the three sides. AB, BC and AC are the three sides. Three vertices, तीन vertices होंगी A, B and C and three angles. Angle A, this is your angle A, this is angle B and this is your angle C. Now we will discuss about the classification of the triangles based on sides. Based on sides, we will discuss the classification of the triangle. So first is the Ischian triangle. Ischian triangle. कोई भी triangle, any triangle will be the Ischian if any two sides are not equal. उसकी कोई भी दो side equal नहीं है. AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. Let's this triangle we are taking. Here I am taking this triangle ABC. तीनों side, all three sides have the different measure. 3 centimeter. Let's suppose this is your 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. You can say this is an Ischian. This is based on the sides. अगर कोई भी any two sides are not equal, any two sides are not equal, कोई भी दो साइड अगर किसी ट्रायंगल में इक्वल नहीं है, that is known as a Ischian triangle. तो कोई भी दो साइड, it means you can say none of the means all three sides are not equal. This is not equal to this one, is not equal to this one. So this triangle ABC is known as a Ischian triangle. Have a look. So based on the side, any triangle will be Ischian if any two sides are not equal. Any two sides are not equal. Any two sides are not equal. अगर कोई भी दो साइड इक्वल नहीं है, that is known as a Ischian triangle. Or you can say कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है. 3 is not equal to this, 4 is not equal to this one. So you can say this ABC is a Ischian triangle. Second is the isosceles. To become an isosceles triangle, any two side must be equal. अगर किसी triangle में कोई भी दो side, any two sides are equal, you can declare this triangle as an isosceles triangle. तो isosceles के लिए क्या है? Two sides must be the equal. Then you can say this is an isosceles. Then third one is the equilateral triangle. To become an equilateral triangle, किसी भी triangle, कोई भी triangle equilateral होगा if all the sides are equal. Means all the sides must be equal. It is must be equal. All the sides should be equal. अगर सभी साइड किसी ट्रायंगल में इक्वल है, that is known as an equilateral triangle. You can see here is like LM is equal to MN is equal to LN. All the sides are equal. You can say this is an equilateral. So to become an equilateral, all the sides are equal. कोई भी दो side equal, isosceles. But any two side, कोई भी side equal नहीं, that is an scalar. So this is based on sides. Now the based on acute and this angle. So first is the acute angled triangle. Any triangle will be an acute if all the angles are less than 90. Means greater than 0 but less than 90. अगर सभी एंगल 90 से छोटे हैं, let's for instance you can say this is your, you can take the 60 is there, this is your 70 and this is 50. All the angles are less than 90. You can say this is an acute angle triangle. तो कोई भी ट्रायंगल acute angle triangle होगा अगर सभी एंगल less than 90 but greater than 0, then you can say that is acute angle triangle. Second is right angled triangle. Any triangle will be the right angle triangle if one angle is 90. One angle must be equal to 90 degree. अगर किसी भी triangle में one angle 90 है, this is a 90 is there, you can say. So then you can say this PQR is a right angle triangle. So to become a right angle triangle, किसी triangle को right angle होने के लिए one angle should be the 90. Then you can say that is the right angle triangle. Third one is obtuse angled triangle. To become an obtuse, at least one angle should be more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. One angle must be more than 90 degree. For instance, example मान लीजिए we are taking this triangle ABC. This is your obtuse. Let this angle is given 120 degree, which is greater than 120, which is greater than 90 is there. तो अगर किसी triangle में one angle is 90 से above है, that is the obtuse angled triangle. So this is the classification based on the angles, and this is the classification based on the sides. Have a look. Yes. Next is the medians of a triangle. Medians. So you can say like suppose there is a triangle PQR is given, and this is the midpoint is here. That suppose this is the midpoint M. This is the midpoint. Means QM is equal to MR is there. So we cannot say this is the median. Median means which divide the side into two equal parts, but this cannot be the median. So to become a median, median connect a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. It should be from the vertex. This is your vertex. So if you are saying D is the midpoint of this one, then AD is a median. This is AD is the median. Means this the midpoint must be joined with the vertex. Midpoint क्या है ना, vertex से join होना चाहिए. Then you can say the median. Otherwise you cannot say this is a median. This line is dividing. ये line इसको दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही है. QM is equal to MR. QM is equal to MR. But this line, if you can say L, this line L is not a median. It's not a median. ये median नहीं है. Median होने के लिए क्या है? Midpoint should be joined by the vertex. Midpoint vertex से join होना चाहिए. तो here you can say AD is a median. AD is a median. And median means that is it is dividing the opposite side into two equal parts. BD is equal to BC. Here is no doubt QM is equal to MR because we are saying M is the midpoint. हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि M midpoint है, लेकिन this line is not working as a median. ये median नहीं है. Median होने के लिए midpoint should be joined with the vertex. So if we talk about then how many vertex this median we can draw in a triangle. So three are possible here. One, another you can draw here like here, and so there are the three medians are possible. This is equal to this one. ये इसके बराबर like is there only. So this is the difference in median and this line is there. Now the altitude. Altitude means let's suppose this ABC is a triangle. अगर मैं इस vertex से distance की बात करूं BC. If we talk about the distance from this point of this opposite side BC. तो अगर distance की बात करेंगे तो ये भी distance है. This is also the distance. this is also the distance, here is also the distance. But if it is going to fall at 90, अगर ये 90 डिग्री पर fall होता है, this one means the distance between the vertex to this base, it should fall at the 90, means that is the, you can say the height is there, then you can say height, this is your height, you can say height is there. So this is AM is an altitude, means it should be fall at the 90 degree, it should be fall at the 90 degree, ये 90 पर fall होना चाहिए, otherwise this is also the distance, you can say this is P R, you can take, here is the S is there, but this AP, AR, AS are not an altitude, these are not an altitude. Altitude क्या है? It should be fall at the 90s there. So this is AM is the altitude. So similarly, how many altitudes can be drawn in a triangle? So 3 altitudes we can draw. This is an acute, you can draw the perpendicular from here to here, from this point to this line is also. In case of the obtuse is there, suppose obtuse angle triangle है, obtuse triangle is there, obtuse angle triangle, in that case the perpendicular means altitude है ना, वो बाहर गिरता है, that this is ABC is an obtuse here. अगर मैं इस A point से perpendicular you are going to draw that it will fall outside this triangle, we are supposed to extend, हमें इसको extend करना पड़ेगा. इस C point से करेंगे तो इसको extend करना पड़ेगा, here you can draw the perpendicular E, लेकिन B से you can draw the perpendicular on the C is there here like F. So 3 altitudes can be drawn. Similarly 3 medians can be drawn in a triangle. Have a look. Yes, now the question we are taking, in triangle PQR, this is your triangle, PQR is a triangle, D is the midpoint, D is the midpoint is already given, D is the midpoint, it means you can say this is QD is equal to DR, this is already given, this is given is here only, of QR. Now you have to give the answer of these 3 questions. First is PM is, what is PM? What is PM? PM is the perpendicular here. So you can say this is an, PM is altitude. PM is an altitude. Now he is saying what is PD? Because D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint and D point is already vertex से join हो रहा है, तो PD क्या है? PD is a median. PD is a median. And third is he is asking is QM is equal to MR. ये क्या बोल रहा है? क्या QM MR के बराबर है? देखिए D is the midpoint है, D is the midpoint, so QD is equal to DR, but this QM is not equal to MR because M is not the midpoint, M midpoint नहीं है, M is not a midpoint, so you can say no, this is no, because QM is not equal to MR. Here is the QD is equal to DR is given, D midpoint है ना कि M midpoint, so QM is not equal to MR, so you can say no. Now next is we will discuss the exterior angle of a triangle. This triangle we are taking, ABC is a triangle. So exterior angle means if we extend this side BC, BC side को अगर हम extend करेंगे तो ये आपका exterior angle हुआ. If we extend this one, इसको मैं extend करूँ, this is your exterior. If we extend this one only, then this is your exterior is there. For the own convenience, इसको मैं 1 दे दूँ, इसको this is 2 and 3. Let's suppose we are giving this is number 1, number 2, number 3. See. This is your exterior, exterior, exterior. The exterior angle, these are the exterior angle, and you can give the number is here, suppose 4 is here. Here you can give 5, and this is 6. And these 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 are exterior. But angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Angle 4, 5, and 6, these are the interior angles. So, the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite. तो इस angle 1 के opposite interior कौन से? Angle 5 and 6. 2 के opposite interior क्या है? 4 and 6. 3 के opposite क्या हो जाएंगे? 4 and 5. So for this one only, this angle 1 will be equal to angle 5 plus angle 6. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 5 plus angle 6. If we talk about this angle 2, अगर मैं इस angle 2 के बारे में बात करें तो angle 2 will be equal to angle 4 plus angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 6. If we talk about this angle 3, then this 3 angle will be equal to interior opposite angle 5 plus 4. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 5 plus angle 4. This angle will be equal to the sum of these two. This angle will be equal to the sum of these two. This is there only. And similarly, this angle 3 will be equal to this one. Means anyhow you can take like this angle is there. This angle is equal to this one. Sum of these two angles is there. This is your exterior and these two are your interior. So angle 1 will be equal to sum of this one. So this angle is equal to sum of these. ये इस दोनों के बराबर, ये इन दोनों के बराबर. Likewise, have a look. Okay, now question is find the value of x in the given figures. These figures are given. We are supposed to find out the value of x is there only. So look at here now. This is your exterior angle. This is your exterior. ये क्या exterior angle है? And these are the interior opposite. इस exterior angle के interior opposite angles क्या ये? So it means by the exterior angle property, what you can say? Angle ABD will be equal to angle A. Angle A. This is plus angle C. This is by exterior angle property. By the exterior angle property से ये एंगल इन दोनों के सम के बराबर. तो you can add on x is equal to 70 plus 50. So therefore x is equal to 120. So this is the value of x in this figure. Similarly here you can take this is your exterior. ये आपका exterior angle है. ये किसके बराबर होगा? इन दोनों के सम के बराबर. तो डायरेक्ट you can do x is equal to sum of these two. Means this angle you can say the angle QRS will be equal to angle P plus angle Q. Same reason, exterior angle property से. So this is x is equal to 50 plus 50. So therefore x is equal to 100. So this is your exterior. Here is also same. ये exterior angle है. These are the two interior opposite angles. So direct I am doing x will be equal to what? 70 plus 40 is equal to 110. So this exterior angle, this x will be equal to 110 is there only. क्योंकि exterior angle interior opposite angle sum के बराबर होता है. Similarly here is देखो ये this is your exterior. So this exterior angle will be equal to sum of these two. You can say the angle FDG. This is your exterior. बराबर होगा इन दोनों एंगल के सम के बराबर. Angle E plus angle F. ये हमको already given है 80. Here is this is angle E is 30 and this is your x. You can transpose. इसको transpose करिए. You can find the value of x. X equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 80 minus 30. That is equal to 50. So this is your value of x is here. Have a look.